Right, yeah, figured out what the problem is. There's a shock mount. This shock is absolutely seized solid. There it is. So it's going to be a new shock. There we go. Happy days. Right, I'm doing two things at once today. Throttle body's actually a Weber, look, which I didn't know. Injector, which is all plugged in. It's fairly clean in here, which is good. Anyway, it was all remarkably loose. So anyway, I'm going to tighten that down. I'm going to cut this. Hopefully it might run a bit better. Right, last little update on this. So you can just see it in there. That thing, sensor, is new. I had to take the throttle body top off, just air filter, get rid of that, get in there. But that, I think, was what was causing the problem. High idle. It didn't know what temperature it was, and now it's got a new coolant sensor. It does, and we're idling properly, dropping down to a low idle, and no more injector light. So I think it's fixed. Anyway, I know this is a bit of a random mixture of stuff, but it's nice to get the little Fiat back to good running order again.